Alright, quick update on the Ghost. As you can see, I've managed to get the radiator in. It's time to get all the other parts of the back done, connected. Busy going through the wiring now, making sure it's all connected, getting rid of obsolete wires. See there's a leak on the brakes, so I'll probably change that to a boosted brake setup. But getting ready to fire her up this weekend. Just making sure everything is getting put in where it's supposed to be. She's looking pretty good. Got to change the windscreen now. The new seat is here. There's dialing in all the wires on this side here. Got to get a cover so I can cut out for the T-file. Got the other door panel. See, the Ghost is well and truly. She's on her way. So if you want to see more about the Ghost, make sure to click the subscribe button. We are trying to reach 1,000 people. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, we've got more than 110, but that's where we're at the moment. And if you want to see these kinds of builds, information, or just anything about these kinds of things, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because we need the subscribers. Every single one helps. And yeah, I'll start posting some more videos. See you guys soon.